Equip yourself with cutting-edge gear that combines innovation and practicality. Whether you're venturing into the wild, hosting an epic gathering, or preparing for the unexpected, having the right equipment makes all the difference. Or, if fancy is just your style, this list is for you. Enjoy 3D body stretching, lumbar traction, and soothing heat therapy for neck, back, hips, and legs. Superpower your relaxation with the full-body massage mat. No more noisy vibrations or painful shiatsu. This mat offers gentle, quiet, and customizable comfort with 4 modes, 3 intensities, and 3 heat levels. It fits anyone between 5 feet 1 inch and 6 feet 0 inches. And at only 10 pounds, it's super portable and easy to store. Relax like never before. This mat has it all. The Lenercom Portable Power Station 3,686 watt-hours. Energon Max is your all-in-one energy solution with 3,600 watt AC output, expandable to 7,200 watts. It powers everything from heavy-duty appliances to your electric vehicle. Need more? It has 16 output options: USB, AC, DC, car, and wireless, so you can power multiple devices at once. Recharge in just 1.3 hours using solar or wall outlets. Track and control everything with the Lenercom app from anywhere. The durable lithium iron phosphate battery lasts up to 10 years, and you can expand the capacity as your needs grow. Perfect for home, road trips, or emergencies. The Fanttik 5.8 Apex Car Vacuum takes cleaning to the next level. With 19,000 pascals of suction, it picks up dust, sand, and crumbs without breaking a sweat. You can vacuum, blow, inflate, and even pump, all with one small portable tool. The 2 suction modes let you choose between 40 minutes of quiet power in eco mode or 13 minutes of intense cleaning in max mode. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's as light as a water bottle and easy to use with one hand. Plus, the Type-C charging gets you powered up in 2.5 hours, and the one-touch emptying makes cleanup a breeze. Transform any space with the ZOKON 3D Big Cloud Lightning Light Kit. This cool cloud-shaped light pulses to your music, syncing colors with every beat. Choose from millions of colors and adjust the brightness for the perfect vibe. The smart microphone reacts to any sound. Bring on the thunder and watch the lightning effect pop. It's super easy to install, powered by USB and controlled with a wireless remote or the app. Whether it's for your kid's room, a living space, or a social media setup, this mood light makes everything 100% cooler. Light up any adventure with the Clemas telescopic camping lights. These portable, cordless lanterns are perfect for everything from job sites to camping trips. With a rechargeable 14,000 mAh battery, you can even charge your phone on the go. Adjust the height from 285mm to 1,100mm for the perfect lighting angle and enjoy up to 6,000 lumens of bright light. Whether it's the adjustable 180-degree vertical and 270-degree horizontal angles or the dimmable settings, these lights give you full control. Built-in magnets, a waterproof design, and sturdy stakes make them as reliable as they are tough. Your go-to light for any outdoor adventure. The Chirp RPM Mini is built to tackle muscle tension and soreness with ease. Featuring a powerful 3-speed spin, this percussive massager targets deep muscle tissue to provide effective pain relief and aid in faster recovery. Whether you're looking to relax or speed up recovery after a tough workout, the RPM Mini delivers. Customize your experience with adjustable pressure and enjoy up to 4 hours of cordless operation so you can use it wherever you need it. All in a convenient, easy-to-use package. No more soggy messes, just reliable cooling and freezing whenever you need it. The Anker SOLIX EverFrost 258-liter cooler is designed to keep your food and drinks perfectly chilled without the hassle of ice. With a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers both cooling and freezing capabilities, making it ideal for camping, travel, and fishing trips. This cooler features dual-zone cooling, allowing you to independently chill and freeze items like drinks and meat. It reaches a chilling temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, ensuring that your items are evenly cooled without any warm surprises. The EverFrost 2 is powered by a removable 288 watt-hour battery, capable of keeping items cool for up to 4.3 days on a single charge. Who could have imagined that a miniature fire pit could be this adorable and functional? Solo Stove Mesa XL is a compact yet powerful 7-inch smokeless fire pit that brings the cozy warmth and flickering flames of a bonfire to your tabletop. Perfect for camping trips, patio evenings, or backyard hangouts, this little fire pit proves that good things come in small, stylish packages. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and provides a consistent smoke-free flame, whether you're using wood or pellets. The hum of a drum, the pull of music. You might never have guessed that such harmony could fit in the palm of your hands. With the Lidguni 14-inch steel tongue drum, every note you play becomes a conversation with your soul. This isn't just an instrument. It's a way to feel the music, to experience its vibrations, and to carry a piece of serenity with you wherever you go. The vibrant malachite green finish isn't just a color, it's a statement. As your fingers glide across its 15 notes, each one resonates deeply, creating melodies that go beyond the music itself. Whether you're exploring simple scales or composing full symphonies, the G major scale offers freedom to craft, to express, and to connect. The Lidguni 14-inch steel tongue drum is a symbol of musical exploration, a beautifully crafted instrument that doesn't just make music, it makes memories. The Litheli FrozenPack goes from the road to the campsite and beyond with a battery that lasts up to 6 hours. It doubles as a power bank, keeping your phone charged while keeping your snacks fresh. Featuring whisper quiet operation and an impressive 20-liter capacity, this fridge is the ultimate travel companion. The Litheli FrozenPack 12V portable car fridge redefines the idea of fresh, cool convenience on the move. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip, cycling through rugged trails, or setting up camp under the stars, this compact powerhouse ensures that your food stays as cool as your adventures. A single cable that can do it all. The XCOOL 4-in-1 USB-C cable brings together everything you need in one compact, durable solution. No more fumbling with different cords for different devices. This versatile 3-foot cable supports USB-C, USB-A, and iOS-compatible devices, covering all your charging needs, from your MacBook to your iPhone and even your Android phone. Engineered for speed, this cable offers a blazing 100-watt fast charge that powers up devices like your MacBook Pro from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. With its rugged nylon-braided exterior and zinc alloy construction, this cable is designed to last, capable of withstanding over 100,000 bends. Perfect for everyday use, designed with convenience in mind, the thoughtful connector extension lets you charge your phone without removing the case. Whether it's for quick data transfers, office use, or on the go, the XCOOL 4-in-1 USB-C cable brings efficiency to your charging routine. Soaring through space, gliding effortlessly across the galaxy. Yes, the floating globe does exactly that. With its cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology, it feels like it's defying gravity, just like a planet caught in its orbit. Rotating freely, it creates the illusion that this miniature world is flying through the cosmos, untethered, weightless, and endlessly fascinating. It's a miniature spacecraft. It's a tiny, self-contained universe that brings a whole new meaning to exploration. Whether it's part of your home decor or an eye-catching display in your shop, it captivates with every turn. Breathe life into your space with Moss Air, Living Moss Humidifier, a tranquil escape that combines nature's beauty with modern design. Imagine stepping into a serene forest with soft mist cascading like a gentle waterfall, filling the air with calm. The innovative terrarium mode offers you the joy of caring for living moss, turning your space into a calming retreat with just the right touch of greenery. The whisper quiet operation and mood-enhancing lighting create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for meditation or moments of reflection. Bring your environment to life with the YEELIGHT Smart Outdoor Permanent String Light, designed to turn any outdoor space into a vibrant wonderland. These lights transform eaves, patios, rooftops, and more, with a spectacular array of colors and effects. Whether you're celebrating Christmas, creating a spooky Halloween atmosphere, or setting the stage for a lively party, these lights offer over 20 preset scenes to suit every occasion. With RGB LEDs offering 16 million colors, you can effortlessly switch between bold party modes or soothing warm whites for a relaxing ambiance. Control the lights through the YEELIGHT app for complete customization. Adjust colors, speed, and dynamic effects, or sync the lights to your music for a captivating light show that responds to every beat. Built to endure the elements, these lights are IP67 waterproof, making them perfect for year-round use in all kinds of weather. Installation is a breeze with adhesive backing and clips, providing security and ease in setup. Whether you're decorating for the holidays or enhancing your everyday space, the YEELIGHT Smart Outdoor String Light brings lasting brilliance to any occasion. If you loved the vibe, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.